Have you ever been through security at the airport and TSA confiscated your expensive cologne or perfume? Well, today I'm going to tell you how to make sure that that never happens again.
And cultured.
Hey, it's your boy Pedro. Today I'm coming at you with a travel tip on how to travel with your expensive fragrance, whether it be cologne or perfume, and still make it through TSA and still smell great on your trip. Now, here's the thing, and I've seen this happen to many of my friends. We get to TSA and you have your big bottle of perfume or cologne and TSA is like, sorry, this is too big, but it's your favorite fragrance and you want to smell good on the trip, but you don't know how to make it happen. So here's the trick. There's this cool little mist spray, right? You can get this on Amazon. I'll include a link down below in the description. So basically what you do, you get one of these, take the top off. This one actually has something in it already. So you take your favorite fragrance, cologne or perfume, and you see the nozzle on there, right? So all you do is you line up the nozzle with the opening, kind of tilt it. So I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little bit of liquid already in there. You see that right there? So I'm going to hold the nozzle up to the opening, like so, at an angle, kind of point it down. You just spray. Now here's what I do. Depending on how much you use per day, might be determine how much you use per day, whether it's 2, 3, or 4 spritz or sprays, and however long your trip is, do that plus some. So let's just say you use 3 sprays a day. You go on a 5-day trip. So that's 15 sprays. So then you might want to do 20. And all you do is just simply spray, spray, spray. And it'll take a little while, and it could burn your forearms a little bit depending on your bottle. I don't know if you can hear that. Boom. And now I have more in here. I don't know if you can see the line is right here. So there's actually more cologne in there. So now I just simply put this in my carry-on and I have my favorite fragrance, TSA approved, and I don't have to worry about them confiscating it. Now here's a little hack. You can also keep this in your car. So if you want to have, a little freshen up kit, keep you one of these in your car as well. So I keep one in my bag for traveling and I also have one in the car. And again, all you do is periodically fill this up, or not, I don't ever fill it up, but put as much in here as needed. And then I refill it, on each trip. And then this way I always have my favorite fragrance, never have to worry about it being taken, because it sucks if you have an $80 or $90 bottle of cologne or perfume and TSA gets it. Here's another hack. This is a bonus. So say you have a liquid like baby oil. I like to use baby oil because it lasts better than lotion on my feet when I wear sandals, because I have man feet and sometimes they can look a little rough. But baby oil has a tendency to spill. So I also put baby oil in a spray bottle, right? But not only do I do this, because sometimes the outside of the bottle, now with the spray bottle, I don't have this issue as much as when I use like a regular bottle, because the outside of the bottle will become oily. But what I do is I get one of these snack bags, right? But the vertical kind, not the ones that are horizontal. So I simply put the bottle in the bag. Now it's kind of hard to close that way, so I kind of tilt it at an angle. See that? And then now, boom. So now this is secure. The other cool thing is I don't have to worry about this spilling and like damaging any of my other clothes. This also, you can use these bags. They work good if you have like lotion or toothpaste or any other thing. You can do the same thing with toothpaste as well. You can put that inside of a different tube, squeeze the toothpaste into the bottom, and all as well. So that's today's travel tips on how to take your favorite fragrance onto an airplane and make sure that it's TSA approved. So I hope this helps. If it does, give this a like, hit a subscribe so you get the updated tips that are coming your way. If you haven't checked out our free video training, Cheap Rooms on Demand, there'll be a link for that down in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.